Picture mo muna kung ano yung hawak mo. Ayan. So, okay.
Video.
Open mo na.
Hi guys. I know how to open it. It's this one. And that's why I'm home. And we're gonna open Shinchan. This is what we're gonna get.
What will you get? What do you want to get?
I really want this
The
one.
mystery?
And this one. And this one.
Ate, pwede magpaano ng barya? Abo, 40. Kahit dalawang 20 ate.
You guys can look first.
What's inside? Do you get what you want?
And let me see.
Thank you po.
It's nothing.
Did you get what you want? Oh, with the burnok. Shinchan with burnok.
I'll show you.
Wow, I like it.
And the dog.
And the dog. You put everything sa box na lang after. Huwag mo ikutin yung ulo ni Shinchan.
No, I'm checking if it can move.
Can it move now? A little? No?